In today's video, I am going to teach you how to create Vercel account. Vercel is a platform that makes it simple to deploy modern web apps, connect your code from Git, and get fast, automatic previews with every push. We will walk through the sign-up flow together, and I'll point out a few tips so you know exactly what to expect. Start by opening your browser and going to vercel.com. On the home page, look for the Sign Up button and click it. This takes you straight into the onboarding flow, which is designed to get you from zero to ready in just a few steps. You will first be asked to pick a plan. For most personal projects and learning, the hobby plan is the right choice. It's free and gives you everything you need to deploy and iterate. If you are exploring collaboration or want to test advanced team features, choose the Pro trial. You can always adjust plans later as your needs grow. So don't overthink it at this stage. Next, you'll enter your name or a team name. Then continue. This label helps organize your workspace. If you are setting up for yourself, your name keeps things clear. If you are planning to collaborate now or later, a concise team name makes it easy to identify shared projects in the dashboard. Now choose how you want to sign up. The recommended route is to connect a Git provider, GitHub, GitLab, or Bitbucket. Selecting one of these lets Vercel link directly to your repositories, so you can import a project in a click and get automatic deployments on every commit. When prompted, approve the permissions so Vercel can read the repos you plan to deploy. Sticking with the provider you already use for your code keeps everything smooth and consistent. If you prefer email, pick Continue with Email, type in your address, and check your inbox for a 6-digit one-time password. Enter that code to verify. If it doesn't arrive right away, give it a moment and check your spam or promotions folder. The code is time-limited, so be ready to paste it when it shows up. To wrap up, finalize your profile. You will set a username that appears in your dashboard and can be part of your project URLs. So choose something simple and recognizable. Then follow the prompts for initial project preferences. Vercel may suggest framework presets or offer to link a repository. You can accept the defaults now and refine settings later from your dashboard.